devices. Right here I have my AirPods, and on the back there is this button where I can press the button and it will connect my AirPods to my Bluetooth. So let's try that out. I open my AirPods, press the button at the back, and hopefully the device, yes, will come up. You can see AirPods, and I can press connect. And my AirPods are now connected. Pretty nice, very easy way to do this, and it worked the first time, so I'm a happy camper right now. But sometimes it's not that easy. If you have some other devices that is not an Apple device, but you still want to connect with Bluetooth, it can be a trouble. So